4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, heating up the soldering iron. I just got this in from Temu, and of course, it doesn't work. That's because one of the solder joints came off the battery before it even made it to my house. So let's repair this thing real quick and slap it back together because I know how to do these things and it just makes sense. So let's go. let's resolder onto this battery and then we'll slap it back together and we should have a working flashlight. Ah, look at that clean work. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. A little bit of the good stuff, a little bit of solder. Back in business. Should turn on now. Oh baby. Damn, I'm good. Slap this thing back together. Brand new. Pretty much done here. Just putting the head back on now, and then we're gonna test it. It should work. If I can get this back on there comfortably now. Let's see here. This might take a little work to get this back in there. There we go. Okay. Should work now. Alright, so didn't have to return it to Temu. Soldering skills come in handy as you get older. Boom. Oh, I love it. I love it. Sick. Okay. Learn to fix things.